Transform your WordPress site's navigation from ordinary to exceptional by adding a functional and stylish side menu that guides your visitors like a pro. First, let's dive into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance on the left-hand menu, and then select Menus. Here, you'll want to create a new menu. Give it a descriptive name, something like Sidebar Navigation or Main Sidebar Menu, and then click Create Menu. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see options to add posts, pages, custom links, and categories to your menu. Select the content you want to appear in your sidebar. For a side navigation menu, it's often best to include your key pages like About Us, Services, Contact, or Blog categories. Check the boxes next to the items you wish to include, and then click Add to Menu. You'll see your selected items populate the menu structure on the right. You can drag and drop these items to reorder them and create submenus by indenting them under each other. Next, scroll down to the menu settings. You need to assign a display location for this menu. This option varies by theme, but look for something like Primary Menu, Header Menu, or a specific Sidebar Menu location if your theme offers it. If your theme doesn't directly offer a sidebar menu location, don't worry. We can use Widgets. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then select Widgets. In the Widgets area, find the Navigation menu, Widget drag, and drop this widget into one of your theme's sidebar widget areas on the right side of your screen. You'll see the available widget areas, typically labeled as Primary Sidebar or similar. Once the widget is placed, you'll be prompted to select the menu you just created from a drop-down list. Give the widget a title if you desire, such as Navigation or Explore. Save your changes, and now you should see your functional side navigation menu live on your website, making it easier for your visitors to explore all your fantastic content.